Hello, and welcome to the DecentraWise Podcast. My name is Pedro.
And I'm Miguel, and you just joined us in our mission to decentralize the world wisely.
Wisely, very important because we are DecentraWise, and this in DecentraWise we only do wise shit.
Yeah, it's part of the name, so we need to do
Yeah,
it.
and because of that, sit back, relax, grab your coffee or drink or
Yeah,
whiskey or
today
whatever,
I'm on drugs, so I'm on coffee.
and
As you can see,
uh,
it's unicorn coffee. I don't know why I have this cup. So
get ready because this episode will be nuts.
yeah,
So
so guys, don't forget to like and share this content to your friends because they will enjoy you very much, and they will praise you as king.
what does that mean?
Yeah, your friends will like you a lot if you share with them this content.
Okay. So, um, let's talk about blockchain development. What happened the last days? And so, it seems that same as last week, same as the last few weeks, nothing happens.
But
Boredom as
no,
hell.
no one got stolen. Nothing
No,
like
no, we have plenty
ah.
of
I was getting
security
scared that the world was
security
finishing.
stuff is always an uptrend in
I
in
was afraid we got to the end of the world.
no, but in development, well, in Ethereum, yeah, same old same stuff. We have the continuation of uh, Spectra and so on, and yeah, that's always the same. Uh, so the development is continuing, and the test net is going on, and so on, and blah blah blah. Nothing major to talk about. Um, and related to the markets, Solana continues to show strengths, mainly in the most important crypto asset, the meme coins,
Yeah,
right?
of course.
Because memes
Uh,
are the only thing that matters in this space.
yeah, and actually, I think those are the tokens that are kind of moving right now. Well, they follow Bitcoin, of course, but
Don't
they have other movements than
don't
especially.
get me wrong. I hold meme coins too.
Yeah,
I am that degen. Uh, and I really respect memes. I think they are cool. Uh, and I the really cool memes I really find very interesting to hold. Uh, Not all of them, because the vast majority, like 99.99999%, are scams and drug
no
pulls.
way.
So just if you are joining this space, me and Miguel, we are on our third cycle. So we've been through a lot of shit.
Yeah.
But if you are joining uh, right now or a few months ago, or pay attention. Don't take everything for granted. Read about the community, interact with the community, see what they talk about, if they share something, if there is some energy going on, right? If it's just one moon, run away. That's not the project.
Yeah,
That's not the
I
team.
would say even better. Just if you are getting in right now, just realize that really 99% of the tokens are not good tokens. So try to figure out which one are the good ones. There are a lot of good information in the internet. There are other people that are just
You just go to one of our episodes. We just launched a meme token. Some
yeah. Well, we have a meme token, right? Yeah.
so it's that easy. We do it live, and that's it. So it's it's not the token that brings value. The value is in the community
Yeah.
and in the movement around that token, right?
Well, it's not just
Uh,
that, right? Because some of the good tokens are here to solve a problem, and it's not
I'm talking
just like
about meme tokens.
yeah, yeah. Well, no,
Meme
well, I was
tokens don't
talking
solve the problem, right?
generally, right? Because people that are getting here, they don't know if they should invest on meme tokens, if they should invest on blockchain tokens, whatever. But guys, keep in mind that most tokens are not good. They don't have good
Yeah,
foundations, and then they are the meme tokens, which are that they are fun tokens, and they are fun to
yeah.
invest on. And as people find those tokens fun to invest, the tokens
Let
will hang around.
let me
When people
give
stop
an
finding them
analogy.
funny,
Let me give an analogy. Do you see a Pokemon card, for instance, right? If I
Pokemon
would
cards.
make if I would make a Pokemon, if I would make a card, paint something there, and sell it, uh, would anyone buy it? Probably not, right? Because they don't give a shit about my drawing, right?
Yeah.
But Pokemon, there is a brand there, and there is a community that likes um, that cartoon, and so on. There's a lot of things going on around
Well,
that,
it's actually a game. That's why you have the cards, because
and that's a
you
game.
can play a game with those cards.
Yeah, so there is a lot of things going on, not just the drawing itself,
Yeah,
right?
they have a use. They have a use case. So if you get
But even
Pokemon card, you can play a game with it. So
but even without the use case, there is a community behind it, and there is a movement behind it. You see, so that is the thing that you have to see in a meme coin to believe that it's fun to hold that shit, right?
yeah,
Because, for instance, Dogecoin doesn't solve any problem. The only problem that it's solved already. Bitcoin does it, right? The transfers between them, what the fuck? There's no
yeah.
problem there,
Well,
right? Uh,
Dutch is based on Litecoin, if I'm not wrong.
yeah,
Is it well? So it the problem was solved with Litecoin.
yeah,
So Litecoin is cheaper than Bitcoin, which is the problem that it was trying to solve.
yeah.
So yeah, so you have Litecoin, which is really solving a problem. Then you have Doge, and you
And
have all
Bitcoin
other
was
a bunch
already
of
solved
other.
the problem. The Litecoin that just made it faster and cheaper. That's it.
Yeah, yeah,
And it's like the silver to gold or something like that.
yeah, yeah.
So the Dogecoin itself is a meme token, and that's it, and that's okay, and
Was
I love
Doge
it.
the first meme token?
Yeah, it was the first meme token, and it's fun.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. And as
Why
long as
should
you
I
have a
hold it?
community buying those tokens and believing in those tokens because somehow it will handle the price or go up in price, you will have a valuable token.
Yeah.
But
Well,
most of the meme tokens are not that valuable,
yeah.
and they don't have that much of a strong community behind. And yeah,
Why do
you
I
guys need to
hold?
pay attention to those
Why do I
details.
hold Dogecoin? Because it's fun. and because it didn't die so far, so probably it won't die. It's
Yeah, probably not. Well, it has a
really
life
old,
of its
like
own, right?
14 years old,
Yeah,
right? So uh, it won't die, most probably. And from the point that I bought it, I think it will only capitalize. So why not? Why?
yeah,
I hold those Pokemon cards as well. Uh,
yeah.
why do I hold those? Don't really know.
Just because you
Because
can.
it's fun. I don't play the game. I don't really watch those things, but I think it's fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, and then you
So,
have a bunch of other dog tokens and spider tokens and crow tokens and I don't know. You have a bunch of Pepe tokens.
yeah. For
You
instance,
have a bunch.
Shiba Inu, they are developing shit.
Yeah,
They are
yeah.
creating
Actually,
use
Shiba
cases,
Inu is actually developing stuff, right?
and
So they are adding value to the
if
game.
that is useful or not, I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
we'll see.
But yeah,
Actually, I don't know what they're doing.
they have a few DeFi things, and they
Mhm.
have other tokens like bones and uh, whatever.
Yeah,
It's an ecosystem really uh, being created there. I don't know for what. I never used it. No, I don't know.
yeah,
But I don't hold Shiba Inu, so
yeah.
it's
Well,
not
I
a
do.
thing.
Somebody dropped a few million of Shiba Inu on my wallet, and why not? I
Really,
kept it.
they give it away like that?
Yeah, well, I think it was some giveaway on Crypto.com.
Hmm. I didn't get any. How come?
It was one of those programs that they had at the beginning. I don't remember the name of the program anymore because I don't think they are doing it anymore.
Hmm.
So
Okay,
it was
okay.
one of those programs, and I think I was lucky enough to be one of the few that participated, something like that. So that's why I got so many tokens.
Okay. Good, good. Um, so, one thing that I was almost forgetting. We are at episode 50, so
Well, we need to celebrate this,
we
right?
need to celebrate. Let's make a toast. Cheers.
Yeah. Well, let me get my vodka
Cheers.
because we need very strong alcohol to do these podcasts.
Yeah, that's the way. That's the way.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Meme coins are cool. Just don't uh, fall into rug pulls. Uh,
Yeah, and
just
don't take
buy
it
the
as
things
your
that you
life
really
investment.
enjoy, and that's it.
Don't take it as your life investment because there are better investments to do, in my opinion.
Really,
Yeah,
I I sold everything and bought Dodge.
yeah. Well, I bought Shiba Inu.
No, no, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Yeah,
I have a very, very small allocation Dodge. It's
yeah.
just
That's what
my,
I'm trying to say. Just buy it for fun, not for your life
yeah,
investment. For life investment, you should bet on Bitcoin because that's the most stable and the one that will not
yeah.
die.
But this is not financial advice. You buy whatever you think it's worth to buy. Do your own diligence
Yeah,
and study the market. Uh, but I know that the vast majority of people will not do that. Uh,
I don't know
and they
why.
will just find a fun meme and buy.
Yeah,
Uh, so because of that, and because memes are
Well,
fun. Uh,
actually, it's sometimes I do find a funny meme, and I buy it. I just
and
don't
I
buy
think,
a lot. I just don't spend a lot of money on it. I just spend
yeah,
like $20, something like that, just to have some
yeah.
million tokens.
If you buy something like that, it's you won't be very mad if it goes to zero.
Exactly.
I, I've been there, done that,
Yeah.
and I can send to you my gazillion Glory Dodge tokens if you want. But if you buy a few dollars and it's just coffee money for you, no problem. But if it's something behind that,
Yeah. Well,
uh,
like any token, you need to pay some attention and
just
be
look
careful.
at it
Be careful.
and see if there is a community, see if there's something going on, if there is some energy going on in that movement, in that group of people,
Yeah.
and if it has a life of its own. That's it. That's the only thing that you have to to care about.
Yeah,
If you
because
want to do,
like you were saying, as long as you have a strong community behind it, most probably the token will survive and and get stronger.
yeah. And the beauty of meme coins, it's that they rarely go to zero if they are truly memes and that there's a community behind them. They have very high volatility because that's uh, the representation of market with a zero base value, right? If the token intrinsic value is zero because it is,
Mhm.
right? Uh, and if there is people involved uh, in that market trading that shit, volatility will naturally develop. That's the way things go. People see it pumping, they buy the top, and if they see it dropping, they sell the bottom, and that's
That's the way to do
usually
it. That, that's
that's
that's how
usually
that's how I make money.
that's usually what people do, right? So that creates volatility, and for us that understand how to buy low and sell high, which are a few usually, uh, that's what we love, right?
Yeah.
We will, so that's the idea. Uh, it's not the value of the thing; it's the people involved. If there's enough people involved to make it interesting,
Yeah.
that's it, right?
Yeah.
The economics of this of a meme token 101. I just gave it to you.
Yeah.
And for free in this podcast. So
So the
imagine.
economics 101 that you are explaining is that the value of the token is people,
Yeah, exactly. That's it.
like any economics class.
Yeah. If there is no people, there is only speculation. Um, what can you expect? You will buy, and someone will be selling to you, right? That's it. So uh, this is meme tokens 101. I think that's what is uh, pushing the markets in Solana and in many others, and we have to give it credit. And besides memes and stuff like that, I really think that the market has been very, very, very boring. Not too much interesting
Well,
projects to talk
actually,
about.
yeah.
Not too much technology news around. So keep pushing. This is the right time to develop stuff. keep developing things, having ideas, pushing things forwards. Don't expect um, too much people interacting with your projects, because I don't think uh, they came yet, but it's almost there.
Hmm.
So we are on the verge of something really interesting. I am very, very bullish in this bull run. I I think it will dwarf the most of the expectations of most people, and so I really think that you should uh, build right now and send publish stuff, because soon you will have your 1,000 users, your 10K, your 100K users, and so on, and you will have to scale your your DApp or your project, because people are joining like there's no tomorrow, right? So this is my thing. Let's talk about security. We have just 6 million of DeFi hacks this week. Not much.
Peanuts.
Peanuts, exactly. And also not much going on in security. Um, a few compromises here and there, and we have a very important thing last week, which was HBO
What
releasing
is that?
a documentary stating that they found Satoshi Nakamoto.
Oh, they
They
found the
know
guy?
who the guy is, and he is not.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. And I'm Santa Claus.
So people are just trying their best to get attention. Even HBO turning to crypto to um, one of the most important secrets in the community, try to find people to get interested in their documentaries. I didn't subscribe to HBO because of that. I waited for people to tell me how fun it was to watch, and so I think they were wrong. It was not a very good marketing strategy.
Yeah. Well, it's like finding Santa Claus, right? I was joking about it, but it's like finding Santa Claus.
Yeah, that's when the market is really boring like this shit happens. And whether it's China banning this or someone found Satoshi, the last bull run was
Yeah,
Craig
well,
Wright.
Satoshi's drinking daiquiris with Elvis.
Yeah, the last board run was Craig Wright telling he is Satoshi. Um, and yeah, that's usual. So I wasn't expecting that coming from HBO, to be honest. But yeah, you never know. They they just find it very interesting to grab some crypto crazy heads uh, more, and that's it.
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
can I
well,
say?
I mean, some people went to see that for fun, for sure.
Yeah, that's usually what happens. But don't they have funnier stuff.
No. Well, it's
They
HBO. They don't have fun stuff.
they exhausted every
Yeah,
option.
like 10
Now it's
years ago.
crypto.
Yeah,
I
they
don't know.
exhausted all the fun that they have like 10 years ago.
I don't know. And this week also we had an announcement. Actually, yesterday or day before, Trump, the former future president to be of the United States, it's not any Trump, it's that Trump, uh, creating his own DeFi token.
Really?
Yeah,
Well, the guy is pro crypto anyway, so
he was not. He is
yeah.
pro crypto
Well,
because I think he saw HBO
uh,
documentary.
yeah. You need to put yourself in his shoes for 1 minute, and the guy is he's old school, right? So and all depends on the people that he has singing in his ears. But I
Well,
think he grew on the crypto stuff a few years ago already.
yeah, I know.
So
He
yeah,
released NFTs and stuff like
yeah.
that. But
So if there is
those are
anybody
other.
in that damn country that is pro crypto that can be president of that of the United States, it's him. So
Absolutely,
all
absolutely.
other guys
But
will
I
kill it.
still don't believe a single word he says.
Okay, he's a politician. Well,
Yeah,
kind of.
and
He's kind of a politician.
what I
He's
find
half politician.
funny,
Yeah.
what I find funny is that it seems that this project is for his sons to be heading,
Mhm.
and they partnered with a team of people that had a similar project that got hacked.
Oh, not a good choice.
Imagine how fun this will be. I'm very, 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 very looking forward to the launch of the project. And it will be very, very interesting. It's a fork of Aave, it's a lending platform.
Mhm.
I think the first iteration. And, but to be serious, I don't find it any point of interest. We
Yeah,
have Aave. We don't need that shit. They are
yeah.
just exposing themselves to make money, which they have plenty of already. So I don't see the point.
Mhm.
And to go through the risk of getting hacked again and uh, be in bad shape, in bad PR, I don't see any sense in this thing. But anyway, they are free to do whatever they want, and my opinions is completely irrelevant. So yeah, but
No, no. I think they will listen to you.
they watched our podcast.
Of course.
Maybe. Hey, Trump, quit that
No,
shit, man.
he just sent me a message to. That's why we are talking about this to make some publicity to his platform.
Hmm.
So yeah,
No, we will
he's
not.
paying us to do that.
No, he's not. I don't want that shit. Anyway, this is the state of the art of crypto at this moment. So it's boring like hell.
Yeah,
And yeah, that's it. Let's go to the markets,
let's go
shall
to
we?
watch the markets. How do I do this? It's always something. Yeah, let's go to crypto bubbles and see what's going on there. So As you guys know already, we are matching this with BTC and not USD because we want to know what tokens perform best than Bitcoin and not against the dollar. So for this week, what we have around here, we have this SPX, WBT. Do you know what this is?
Nope.
WBT? What the hell is this bubble doing here? Who are you? I don't know.
White Bitcoin.
What
White Bit is an exchange.
you damn
So
racist. Aero. I don't know. Ina. Do you know any of these coins?
no.
Okay, let's watch against US dollar. Well, it's quite the same, right? But since Bitcoin is raising, is going up in price, we have a lot of green stuff here because they're also rising in price. So what are the good coins? Ethereum. Oh, here's your George.
Doge is
Where's
always.
my Shiba? Shiba?
I don't
There's no
know.
Shiba here.
But
Where's
there's
my Shiba?
Floki.
Uh,
There is Floki. I saw it. But Shiba,
I
no.
don't. No, I don't see Shiba. Damn coin.
But
Okay.
yeah, this
So
this has been a hell of a month
yeah, actually, let's watch the month.
for Sui. Sui has been very good,
Yep.
um, and Ton has also made some profits.
There's Shiba. On the month,
Yeah,
it's growing, but only against the dollar.
but as you see, the most of the profits. Let's let's be honest. What is Nairo?
Niero. I don't know.
Nairo,
Well, it's another meme coin, right? It's a dog coin.
5,765% in a month.
I wouldn't mind to have bought this.
I bet that the next month will be negative 99.97%.
Yeah, well, this is let's see on the year. Well, it just disappeared, right?
So, as we say, it's the year
But
of meme
look at
coins. But
Pepe.
Pepe, Ordi, I don't know what's Ordi,
This
but
Mog
look, meme coin
Bonk.
sold. There is sold the meme coin. Floki,
Oh, there's Don. I also like this one, Render.
mhm, because why do you like Render?
Render is actually a useful token because it's applied on AI.
Ah, okay.
So we have this Flocky, we have Pepe, we have Mog, we have Bonk.
That's
Those are the
that's
biggest bubbles.
SPX.
SPX.
This is what the world is all
So
about. It's
as you guys can
memes.
see, we were joking about meme coins, but there is some truth on that. So those are the coins that are growing like hell,
Yeah.
and we are talking
And
about
then
year.
and then
It's
we
not
have
like
Soul.
it was not today. It was in a year.
Yeah. Then
Look
we
at
have
this
Soul because
100
it's where the majority of meme coins
11,000%.
live.
11,000%.
Yeah.
Why didn't I buy some bonk? I don't know what this is. That's why.
I don't know.
Uh,
Uh, in my house, the hardcore degen of meme coins, it's my wife. So she probably bought it. So I don't know.
yeah.
But that's really the year of meme coins, and that's fun.
Oh
I
yeah.
like that.
Well, those are a lot of fun. So, but you guys go and check these communities because it's probably worth to know the people behind this because they are doing a great job.
Yeah, they are putting their money where they head is.
Yeah.
That's
And
it.
that's why these tokens are going up in price like hell, because of the communities. They have amazing communities.
Oh yeah. And let's watch Bitcoin. I am
Let's
very very
go
curious
stop sharing.
about.
Let's go and share this. Okay, so this is exactly what we had last week. So we are still on the channel. Uh, I still think we are coming down, but I'm not sure. Well, the other thing that Bitcoin can do is go up. Well,
that's that's
okay,
usually what
okay.
it does, right?
Yeah, let me show you what Bitcoin can do if it's not coming down. I never know where the arrows are, but they should be around arrows, arrows, arrows. Not here.
In
Where
the
are they?
line, click the line there.
I should be fired. Okay, let's just make a trend line. Well, it can come. Not a trend line. That was stupid. Info line.
Guys, I bet it will be better. Uh,
No, well, someday maybe. Uh, Horizontal. Well, it's not here.
don't you see a pen or something like that there? Or there is a
That's stain drawing. No, it's not this.
no, that there is there
Like
up
here,
there
geometry.
a row.
Aha, arrow marker. Well, let's use this one. Okay. So what it can do is come around up here, then come down here, and it will have the channel as support.
Hmm.
If it comes down, it failed to go up. Well, these analogies are really good, but in order to be on an uptrend and move out of the channel, it has to bounce on the channel and then come up again, and then it will blast like this.
Yeah,
But
I really think.
until then, I cannot tell you guys that it's going up. In my opinion, it's still coming down. I think it came up here until this the resistance line, and it will probably move down again, and we will have probably another bouncing up here later in a few weeks. I don't know, maybe 3 to 4 weeks, which is starting to be, well, not late, because it's usually during Christmas that the prices will go up like crazy, right? It's usually in the end of the year, so we will probably see something like this.
Yeah.
So
Either way, either way, the when Bitcoin finally decides to leave this boredom tunnel,
yeah,
it will be explosive,
yeah, yeah.
in
The
my
only thing
opinion.
that I'm saying right now is that it's not the moment yet, because it bounced here. It beat his head like crazy in this resistance line, and it's coming down apparently again. So I don't know. We will see
Yeah,
if
nobody
it moves
knows.
up, because
The
if it moves
message,
up and surpasses the channel line, and well, it will come down again for sure, and then it will bounce up.
yeah, the message is nobody knows. But
No, 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 I do know it can go up or down.
oh,
I know that.
yeah, I know that too.
So that's what we have for you guys.
So the market is very very bored as well. and
Yeah, while we are in this bull flag,
yeah.
we are stuck here.
But if we do a measured a measured movement based on the pole of the bull flag,
Yeah,
that's
it's
crazy shit.
bringing, yeah, yeah. Well, if we drop the thick lines, we came to the top of the channel, and we are coming down.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see
Yeah, well,
what comes.
we have more weeks
And
ahead, and yeah, well, most probably December will be a crazy month, but which is it's what it usually is. It's
yeah,
until mid January. It's crazy, and then it will come down again, and then a little bit up again to the same prices, and yeah, it's the usual stuff.
I am expecting that next year will be
Yeah,
huge.
you have that theory that this bull run will be crazy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I have. I don't know. I don't know. It can be. It has.
There
It
are
has. You have some valid arguments there, but
yeah.
yeah, we will see about it.
I really think that the last bull run, which was handicapped
Yeah.
by a pandemic and a major global crisis, uh, was supposed to be much more explosive, and it wasn't because of that. And uh, I think this bull run will happen in the same way as, or a little bit smaller, but in the same sense that 2017, 16, 17 bull run happened.
Yeah, that
And
can be the case. Yeah, we will see. I'm not
we
really.
already,
I didn't buy the theory that it was handicapped. I think it went normal.
no, no, because it didn't have a blow off top. And that's the biggest
Yeah,
difference. But
let's take a little look here, because what you are saying is, don't look that. What you are saying is that this was not high enough, and I think it is. And I think this just goes very well in the cycle of the where's that, with this Elliott waves. So you have this something like this, and 4 and 5, and I think it goes well in this Elliott wave. And this second the second from point 4 to 5, it's usually not much higher than the 3.
mhm,
So that's why I think it yeah, it kind of it's
it
regular.
can.
It's not. You were expecting this one to be much higher, right?
No, I was expecting a complete blow off top in the three.
Oh, this one
Um,
you
if
were
you go to
expecting.
2017,
Mhm.
uh, that was the blow off top,
Yeah.
not the second one.
Hmm.
And then the second one came just a little bit below the all time high, and that's it.
Hmm.
But what that is not my problem with this. It's not the how high it went. It's the distribution, the a Wyckoff distribution that it point 0.3 has.
Mm.
It's a completely by the book Wyckoff distribution and not a blow off top.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
and
Well, but then there's also
that
this.
is odd. That is
No,
not
let me tell
usually.
you why. let me tell you why I don't think it's odd. I don't think it's odd because as more people are trading, the more by the book this will become.
It can be. Well, I do have a crystal ball back then, but
You only have one crystal
it
ball.
doesn't have batteries. I bought
You,
it, but it didn't come with the batteries, and I don't have batteries for it.
you
So
need batteries for your balls.
for
But
the
this is
crystal ball,
this never gets old.
no.
So yeah,
Anyway, um, yeah, all options can be right. I just think that with all the market changes that we have right now, and the market players and big institutions involved, and big hodlers like hedge funds and pension funds, and all those, I really think that this bull run can be different, can be higher.
hmm
And that's it. And the crash will be even more fucked up.
it will
Uh,
be formidable.
so I think we will have more volatility, and
Yeah,
I love it.
yeah, that can be the case.
I just
We
hope
have
to
this. We,
be
we
able
we have
to
this.
dollar costs average
Yes,
out in near the top,
yeah,
and that's it.
yeah. We have these two sides. Either one, you have more money being played in this cake, and you have on the other side, the more people are doing this, the more stable the market becomes. So we have these two things that we don't know where it will end.
Yeah, but it will be fun anyway.
Well, it's always
So
fun. As long as we're making money, it's fun.
I'm not very happy because I was expecting this movement back uh, to be harder, and it wasn't. So I didn't buy too much. Um, but let's see if we come back down to the other
Yeah,
border of
that's
the.
like we said last week. If it's coming down, this will be a good entry point here.
Yeah, where at the
Here,
end of the
you can see
channel.
the mouse. Yeah, at the bottom.
Yeah,
So around 51, maybe 52,
yeah.
it will be a good entry point.
But I wouldn't uh, stay with all your chips uh, out waiting
Yeah,
for that.
well, yeah, there's always the risk that it does this, right? It comes out from the top, it blows up on the top, and continues to go up.
Yeah.
So we still don't know about that.
So the best approach is to dollar cost average
Yeah,
uh, during this phase. You will probably buy higher, and it will probably have lower prices. But man, you are
yeah,
in for the
it's
ride.
DCA.
It doesn't matter to be right in 1K, 2K, 3K range if the expected is to for it to double or triple in price. So
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter this price
yeah,
range.
buying in that range is always a good entry point, in my
Yeah.
opinion. Of course, back last year was better, right? Um,
By
but
the way, there is something that is worth mentioning. We are looking at Bitcoin, but if we are looking at some other coin, well, let's say Shiba, for instance, it has a small delay regarding Bitcoin. So you can actually, well, you cannot. So not in this one. But it usually follow Bitcoin, but this is not that
Not that
predictable.
case. Yeah.
Uh, so if you are investing in other coins, well, actually, you can see something here because Shiba Inu is overbought at this point. So it will probably follow the rest if this is following Bitcoin as it usually does. Bitcoin will come down. So that's another way that you have to see the trends.
So Shiba Inu is controlling what Bitcoin does.
No, 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 no. What I'm saying is that it's more visible in Shiba Inu because it's more volatile.
Yeah. Okay.
So that was just a point. It's not. It won't tell you for certain what it's doing, but it's a clue. Like
And
all
if
of
I
the
want,
indicators are just clues on what
if I want something certain, where can I find it?
your crystal balls.
Then I have to buy the battery.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Well, I have nothing else for you guys. It's still in the bull flag. So yeah, I have nothing. It's not doing anything very very amazing. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So I think we can wrap this up. All right.
Yep.
So, guys, this was a fun, mimetic
Well, it's always
episode,
fun, right? We always have
and
some fun during the episode. So
it's very cool that we had meme coins over on our fifth episode,
yeah, well, we should make a
and
meme coin called Crystal Balls.
that is a cool meme.
I know.
Can you draw? If you can draw the meme, we make a meme coin tomorrow.
Yeah.
If anyone can draw the crystal balls meme, uh, join our Telegram, share it with us, and let's make a meme.
Okay.
There is the invitation for you guys to for the creative guys that watch us. Let's do a crystal balls meme coin. You have to make the funniest meme ever, and we will publish it.
Yeah.
Right
Oh
on
man,
Solana.
we are above the hour, man. We are back to 1 hour podcast. This
We
is
are capable of that kind of craziness.
yeah. We need to
That's
wrap this up before people start spamming us. Oh well, saying
people
that we are
like
spam.
us. People like us. People like us.
Anyway.
Anyway, guys, let's stay in touch. Join our socials. Give us a like and subscribe if you want to watch more of this
Yeah, and
insanity.
don't forget to share this with your friends because they will say that you are God.
Okay. And thank you for joining us in our mission to decentralize the world
Wisely.
wisely. And see you in the next episode, guys.
See you guys on the
Cheers.
next one.
Bye bye.